This model is a hammer, and it's flexible too. Join me with my 40th 3D print model that you can actually make money from. Today I'm going to show you how I printed this fun toy and give it a bit of color. I'm back with some super fun flexi and moving models printed right here on my home 3D printer. By the way, I'm an architect, and on this channel I print the coolest trending designs you can find. I create the figures and share their stories with you, so hit subscribe and be the first to see every new model I make. I've already uploaded a separate video on my channel showing all my printer settings. You can find the link right here in the description. I'm already in love with it. How about you? Did you know flexi and moving models are one of the hottest 3D printing trends for 2025-2026? They're a great way to start earning with your printer, and I've already printed a bunch of them. Honestly, it's not hard at all, you just need to follow a few simple steps. Here's what I do. After checking my settings and taking notes in the software, I double-check everything, save the file to a USB stick and plug it into my printer. And that's it, magic starts. You're watching the whole process right now. It's so satisfying, right? If you want to print faster and with fewer errors, go watch my earlier videos. I've shared all my exact settings there. Oh, and usually I paint all my models with acrylics, but since this one's a gift I left it plain. Our awesome model is almost ready to show off. Don't forget to subscribe and tell me in the comments which model you'd like to see next. I might make it for you. You're watching the printing process right now, and it took me about 2 hours to print this model. By the way, I had also printed a moving pumpkin before. If you'd like to check it out, I've dropped the link in the description. Alright, look at this, done. Wow, I love it, it turned out so cute. I print a lot of flexible models because they're fun, super easy to make, and the results are always amazing. Plus, these kinds of models are still trending worldwide in 2026. Now I'm getting ready to paint this one. I don't want to color the whole thing, just add a little touch here and there. If you try acrylic markers, you'll totally love them, they're awesome. This step is one of my favorites. Don't forget to subscribe to support me and give me that extra energy. It's super easy to color, and honestly, painting is my favorite part. I really think 3D printing and painting can be both a fun hobby and a full-time job. It's so enjoyable. Now it's going next to its little buddy. The next video is going to be really exciting, so don't forget to subscribe so you'll be the first to see it. Thanks for watching.